Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. We've come to the beginning of the week. This is 6th of December. So today I want us to start off with Euro USD. We have it here. Let's see what we have on the daily chart. So this chart, basically, we do expect price to extend itself to the lower side. There are no chances that the price may continue to the upper side as it is right now. So I expect price to continue up, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you may like price to continue upwards. We are actually looking for price to continue up, at least up to this level here. But this may likely be a good place to sell from. However, if the price breaks and closes beyond it, then we do expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So we either wait and sell it here, or we wait and sell it when the price hits this level here, or you may wait and sell it when the price breaks below this low. So either way, a sell is good at this point, a sell is good at this point, and a sell is good at a break below this level here. The next symbol, well, this is GBPUSD. So with this chart here, I'll add an indicator. I'm going to add one trend indicator. So I go to the average directional movement index. Just a second. We have it there. So I'm going to add level. I'm going to add a level which is 25. Sorry, add level 25. Okay, so as you can see right now, anytime we have this thin line here above 25, it means there is an active trend. And anytime we have the red line above the green line, it means that trend which we saw here is actually downtrend. So as it is now, you can see that we have this thin line above 25, and the red line is above the green line, which means we do have an active downtrend. So as it is now, we are looking for sell positions on this chart. We are looking for more sell orders. We are actually looking forward to the price clearly breaking and closing below this level here. This is like the gauge where if the price can go below, then that would be a good indication that the price is continuing to the last. So we'd like to see what happens if the price goes and closes below this point. Then we want to see some struggling below this level here, the zone which I've just drawn, so that we pick more sell positions, at least up to this level here. We'll pick that sell at least up to this point. So these are the places where if the price is indeed to continue down, then it may likely continue up to this point, 1.27679 and 1.21052. So if you sell it as I was mentioning on the lesser time frame, on the 1 hour, that is below this point, then stick to the target which I've just mentioned. So every time frame on this chart is actually showing us a sell. The 1 hour chart, you can see that the red line is above the green one, which is a downtrend. If you check the 4 hour chart, the red line is above the green one, which means we are in an active downtrend. And then if you check the daily chart, the red line is above the green one, and the thin line is above 25, which means the price is in a downtrend. And then on the weekly chart, we have the same thing happening. And then on the monthly chart, we've just started a downtrend. So this means overall, this symbol is a sell, it's in a downtrend. Therefore, look for only sell positions. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, basically you can see on the 1 hour chart there's no clear signal because the thin line is way much below 25 on the first. On the daily chart we have the same thing, it is still way much below 25. Then on the weekly chart, it's when we see that the thin line is above 25 and then the green one is above the red one, which means we are in an uptrend. So although the price looks like based on this indicator is upwards, we do have a level here. We do have a level there. This is a good resistance level. So if the price can move up and close beyond this level 115.2124, then this will be a good sign that we are continuing to the upper side, at least up to 116.486. And then the next target is the one we have at the very top. So based on this indicator, we are in an active uptrend. But first we want price to break beyond this level 115.134 so that the price may continue up with our first target at this point here and the next target at the line we have at the very top. The next symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far it looks like the price is in an active uptrend based on this indicator here, but I think the price may likely head to the lower side. I'll explain why I'm saying that. Give me just a minute. So I'm saying the price may likely continue down because we do have a very good resistance level there. Have another level there. Have another level there. Then you have another level there. Then we have a trend line here. Then we have another one. So look at this. We had a very good resistance level. The price actually went beyond that resistance. It came back and even closed below it. So as long as the price is held below this trend line here, expect a move to the lower side up to this point here. So if you sell it, have your stop loss above this high here. The take profit is dynamic, which means the first one should be there. The next take profit should be here. And then the next one should be somewhere here. Then the last one should be somewhere here. And if the price goes below this point, then you may also sell it, but only up to this trend line here. The next symbol is the SP500. With the SP500 so far, you can see on this indicator that we are in an active uptrend. The thin line is above 25, and then the green line is above the red line, which means we are in an uptrend. So I recommend you look for sell buy positions. Despite whatever is happening now, you can see that there's a sell. But overall, the price is bullish, and we want price to break beyond this level here so that we can continue to the upper. So if the price moves up and rises beyond this point, then that will be a sign that we are now heading to the upper side up to around 5,000. The next symbol is gold. So on gold, so far we still have our trend line. We have it here. It's a good place we wanted to sell from. We have another one here. So since overall the price is bullish, you can see that currently we have some consolidations. Whatever we see here as a wedge is actually a consolidation. You can see it here. We expect price to move down, touch this lower line. We expect price to move like this, touch the lower line, bounce off from it, head straight to the upper side, then pull back point, then continue upwards. So that would mean that the price may likely extend itself to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So this right here will be the correct place to buy from, and also this here will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So you either wait and buy it when the price is here, or you wait and buy it when the price ascends above this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.